All right, the drink we're about to make is called Captain Climer. First thing we're going to do is put our ice in a glass. And that it calls for, we're going to do a shot of Captain Morgan Spiced Rum and follow that up with a half a shot of Irish Cream. There we go. And we're just going to top it the rest of the way with some good old root beer. There we are. Now we're going to mix it up. Let's get our mixers. We got the root beer in there. You don't want to shake it. It's going to kill the carbonation, and you're going to have Captain Climer all over you. So once we feel like we have it mixed up good enough, we will get a glass and pour it in. And of course, you know, with any Captain drink that you have, it's always better if you just put one of your legs up in the air. Captain Climer, bottoms up.